So we're learning about function machines today, and we watched a video called Meat-A-Morphosis, and I'll put the link in the description box below. But you were supposed to fill out the notes as we watched the video. So if you watched the video, then we went back and paused the video to fill these out. And it says an input number X could be transformed into a corresponding output. And that number would be Y. Then we went over the domain and range, and in the video, the domain was defined as the set of all input values to a function. The domain was defined in the video as the set of all input values to a function, and the range was defined as the set of all output values from a function. The set of all output values from a function. Okay, then the function machine came through, and as it input the 1 into the machine for y equals 2x, we got a 2 out. When we input 7 times 2 is 14. And when we input -3, 2 times -3 was -6. Then the next function machine, we plugged in a 1, we get a 1. We plug in a 7, we get a 7. We plug in a -3, we get a -3. On the next function machine, we plug in a 1, we get a 6. We plug in a 7, we get a 6. We plug in a -3, we get a 6. On the next function machine, we plug in 0. 0 minus 8 is -8. We plug in 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. We plug in -3. -3 minus 8 is -11. Okay, so that was the function machine part. And then we had to guess the rule. So let me clear this out and move it up. This time we had to guess the rule. So they gave us a 2 and out came a 4. They gave us a 5 and out came a 25. They gave us a -3 and out came a 9. And then they defined the rule as being y equals x squared. Remember, the rule has to apply to all of the inputs, and we have to get all of the outputs. And that was the notes for Meat-A-Morphosis.